Hi, Colvin and Adrian. Welcome to Baking with Miss M, and to anybody else who's watching this video today. Can you guess what we're going to bake today? It's something chocolatey and delicious. We're going to be making brownies. You can get a boxed brownie mix at any local grocery store by you. All right, the first step is to preheat the oven. We need to figure out how many degrees we want our oven. Heat oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Did you see that? So I walk over to my oven. I'm going to press the bake button, and I want it to be 325 degrees. Good job. Next, I need to figure out what ingredient I should add. The first ingredient is 1/4 cup of oil. I'm going to use my avocado oil. So I pour the oil into the 1/4 cup, and then I dump it into the bowl. Next, I'm going to put this in the sink, and I'm back. I left for just 1 second to do that. All right, so I've got my oil. Next, it says add the egg. 1 egg. Here's how you crack an egg. Gently hit it against the side of the bowl, just like this. Now, you want it to be a clean break, but if it doesn't get that way, that's okay, as long as you get the egg in the bowl. So I'm going to have you follow me to wash my hands off. And then I'll dry them on the towel so that they're clean. Okay, now we need the water. Guess what? We're going to use 1/4 cup of water. Notice how this measuring cup looks different. 1/4 is on the handle. I add my water and I set the cup right back down. Okay, next it says whisk together the wet ingredients. This is a whisk. Let's whisk together the wet ingredients. Make sure you whisk the egg yolk. Just like that. You can see it. And then the package says, gently open up and stir in the packets. I'm going to open the packet just like this. And now, watch as I stir in my ingredients. All right, so I'm emptying the contents, and I'm going to throw it away. All right, use your strong arms to whisk, whisk, whisk. And we'll pause there. Okay, now we need to empty the contents of the brownie mix into a pan. The box will specify what size of pan you need. So our box is 8 inches by 8 inches by 2 inches. Okay, so here is my glass pan. I'm going to pour the brownie mix into the bowl. Okay, so we've spread the brownie mix in the pan just like this. Don't they look delicious? So next, I open the oven and I put the brownies in the oven just like this. Now, for safety, these are called oven mitts. When you take the hot pan out, you're going to use oven mitts, just like this. Okay? All right. Now, I'm going to look how long I should bake. 35 to 42 minutes. I'm going to set the timer for 32 minutes. Cook time. Cook time. 35 minutes. Boom. And we're done. Okay, let's review what we've talked about. So when we bake, we use fractions. Okay? Let's imagine if we had to double this recipe. We would need 2 eggs and 1/4 plus 1/4 cup of water and oil. So I'm going to write my problem out. What does 1/4 plus 1/4 equal? Well, listen. This is the numerator. The numerator comes on top. Where does the numerator stay? On top. The denominator is on the bottom. What number is on the bottom? The denominator. Good job. The numerator is the only number we add. What number do we add? The numerator. The denominator stays the same. Luckily, 4 and 4 are the same number. So that means we can go ahead and add the top numbers. What is 1 plus 1? A strategy I can use if I don't know how to add the number just in my head, I use my fingers. 1, 2. So our number is 2/4. Just like that. Now, is this in simplest form, meaning it's the smallest version of this fraction? No. Let's figure out what number that goes into 4, okay, can also go into 2. Let's try the number 2. 2 goes into 2 one time. 2 goes into 4 2 times. So here is our final fraction, 1/2. Okay, so we need 1/2 cup of oil and water. Thanks for watching.